Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a property owner looking to boost your bookings in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to list your property on Expedia, the ultimate platform for reaching travelers worldwide. With Expedia's updates for 2025, including enhanced verification and AI-driven tools, it's easier than ever to get started. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to create an Expedia host account. Head over to the Expedia website or app, click on Become a Host, and sign up using your email and a strong password. Make sure to verify your account via the email link they send you. It's quick and essential for security. Once you're logged in, the next step is to add your property details. Start by entering basic info like the address, type of property, such as an apartment, villa, or hotel, and capacity. Don't forget to upload high-quality photos. Expedia recommends at least 10 clear images to attract more guests. In 2025, they're emphasizing 360-degree virtual tours, so if you have one, that's a game changer. Now, flesh out your listing with a compelling description. Highlight unique features, amenities like Wi-Fi, parking, or a pool, and any house rules. Be honest and engaging to build trust. Then, set your pricing and availability. Use Expedia's dynamic pricing tools to adjust rates based on demand, which is a new 2025 feature for smarter earnings. Before you submit, double-check everything. Expedia will review your listing for compliance, which might take a few days. Once approved, your property goes live. Pro tip: respond promptly to inquiries and maintain great reviews to climb the rankings. And there you have it. Your property is now on Expedia and ready for bookings in 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll be hosting in no time. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for more hosting tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.